बोर्ड टॉपर्स के फोटो सब छाप देते हैं, लेकिन बाकी बच्चे, उनकी जिम्मेदारी कौन लेगा? इसलिए वेदांतु इंप्रूवमेंट प्रॉमिस अब वेदांतु मार्क्स बढ़ाने की जिम्मेदारी लेगा और गारंटी देगा, वरना आपकी पूरी फीस वापस। अब ये होती है गारंटी।
A very warm welcome to your this amazing chemistry session on acids, bases and salts. And today we are gonna do and cover up all the important salts plus the frequently asked questions for your CBSE board exams. So stay connected, and yes, you have to watch this till the very end. Okay, so if in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, then jaldi si kar lo, fatafat do subscribe it. And this is your daily schedule, do not miss on that. So we have acids, bases and salts. We had this class on Monday, so every Monday at 9 p.m. we are having one chemistry session live, okay, for the CBSE students. And apart from that, we are having one CBSE class 10 session at 7:30 or 7 p.m. this time, like it's scheduled now, right on the Friday. These 2 days you just have to take out time from your schedule and sit for the session. Does not matter session is a premier one or it's a live one. So if you are really honest for your studies, if you are really here to study, then it really won't bother you whether the session is live or a premier session, okay, because teachers always try to put the equal energy in both the sessions. So yeah, with that note, let's get started to the session. Important salts we are having. So I guess you all are ready. Hit the like button and yes, come along with me and check your knowledge. I have a question for you. Which of the following salts belong to the family of chloride salts? So when I say family of chloride salts, it means that the anion here is the chloride. So you have to mention all the salts which are having chloride as the anion. They would be belonging to the same family. ठीक है, जैसे let's say caustics, so the caustics are all from the same family. So जैसे ही उनके लिए the second name chloride, all chlorides are from the same family. Like if I see sodium chloride, keep answering in the chat box. Help your friends also if they are giving the wrong answers. अगर सही दे रहे हैं तो appreciate your friends. Okay, exchange information. Sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, no, this is from sulfate salt, है ना. Potassium chloride, yes, again a chloride anion. Calcium chloride, definitely. So these three are from the chloride salt family, and this calcium sulfate, sodium sulfate, they are from the sulfate family. That was a basic introduction. So just like you have done the pH scale, you have seen the different substances can be acidic, basic or neutral. On the same note, हमारे पास salts भी होते हैं, and salts are also pH sensitive. ठीक है. So when do you call something as salt? Majorly salt को identify करना कैसे होता है? I will tell you. A metal is present with an anion. Metal would be forming the positive ion, so you know that metals are good electron donors, so they acquire a positive charge, and anion is the negatively charged species. So salt is basically a sort of metal anion. जैसे if I talk about copper chloride, you can say, okay, that is a salt. If I say copper sulfate, metal with the anion, okay, you are having sodium chloride, you are having variety of salts. Sodium carbonate, sodium is the metal and this carbonate is the anion, and so on. Okay, so let's have a look at the different kind of salt combination that is formed by a strong acid and a strong base. Jैसे let's say I am having sodium hydroxide, it's a strong base, you know, it's completely ionized in water, so I can say that it's a strong base. And if I'm making it react with the strong acid, which is again completely ionized in the water, so you can imagine sodium hydroxide, a strong base, is giving some OH ions, and that OH ion concentration would be high. ठीक है. Strong acid is also giving some kind of H plus ions, isn't it? So what happens जब आप stronger combination लोगे, H plus ions coming from the strong acid will be equal to OH ions coming from the base. ठीक है. So in these kind of salts, because there is equal concentration of H plus and OH ions, so they would be giving me a neutral salt. Okay, so such salts are like they are literally falling in the class of the neutral salts, and they will be having a pH value of 7. Okay, very easy. On the same note, you can take the example of potassium chloride, strong base and a strong acid is there. Okay, the second type, you are having a strong acid and a weak base. So जैसे let's say I am having a strong acid, hydrochloric acid, and a weak base, I have taken copper hydroxide is a weak base, partially ionized hoga, and it is a strong acid. So because number of H plus ions coming from the strong acid would be more than the OH ions coming from a weak base, क्योंकि this is partially ionized, so OH ions का amount would be less. ठीक है, HCl में H plus का concentration would be high. So overall I can say that H plus ion concentration will be dominating over the OH ion concentration, isn't it? ठीक है, H plus ज़्यादा होंगे. So such kind of salts are the acidic salts. So I can say copper chloride is an example of the acidic salt. And acids, you know, will be coming at a pH value of less than 7. So acidic salts का pH is less than 7. Clear hai? Not confusing. So we are just focusing on the different kind of salts, and the first one we have seen already is a neutral salt, strong acid and a strong base. जैसे यहाँ पर बना था NaCl and water. Okay, so NaCl is a neutral salt. Then you have seen the second example of an acidic salt. Sorry. On the same note, you are having a basic salt. So basic salt के अंदर क्या होता है, we are gonna have a strong base. Let's say I have taken sodium hydroxide, ठीक है, and you take carbonic acid. So if you have taken the previous session, if you have attended the previous class, you would be knowing sodium hydroxide एक strong base है, carbonic acid is a weak acid. Strong base means OH ions coming from the base would be high, ठीक है, and carbonic acid partially ionized होगा, so H plus ion concentration would be less. So in such kind of salt, when we would be getting sodium carbonate and water would be eliminated out, ठीक है. So ऐसे salts में जहाँ पर OH का concentration is dominating over the H plus ions, then these kind of salts are the basic salts. ठीक है, क्योंकि बेसिक है, सो बेसिक का बेसिस रेंज होता है अबव pH वैल्यू 7. सो फॉर दीज सॉल्ट्स pH इज अबव 7. These three kind of salts only we have to see: acidic, basic and neutral. Now one more case is possible. हो सकता है आपके दिमाग में क्वेश्चन आए, मैम what about a weak acid and a weak base, isn't it? What will be their pH? जैसे let's say I am having a weak acid, you can take acetic acid. A weak, ये क्या लिख दिया मैंने, BSO4 sorry, I wanted to write base, ठीक है. So let's say I have a weak base, ammonium hydroxide, aqueous solution है, so you can mention AQ. Okay, so now what will happen, यहाँ पर भी I would be getting a salt, ammonium acetate, CH3COONH4. Now what would be the pH of this salt? That depends on the concentration of acid and base. It actually depends on their ionization, ठीक है, कितना dissociation उनका हुआ है. So when we go to 11th class, we will be studying a topic that is buffers. So buffers के अंदर we would be talking about these salts. You don't have to do it for now, but still I'm giving you a hint that it depends on the amount of the dissociation that is gonna happen, ठीक है. So they can be of you can say acidic type, they can be neutral salt, they can be basic salt also. That completely depends on their dissociation values of the acid and base, ठीक है. Okay, chalo, I guess there is no confusion. Now the very next thing is to see the preparation and uses of some important salts and the compound. यहाँ से question ज़रूर आते हैं exam में. So this class is very important. Again reminding you that the fact that it's a premier session or live should never affect you people. As a student, it's your humble responsibility that we are here to study, then you are actually doing the same thing, ठीक है. सो बातें थोड़ी कम किया करो एंड पढ़ाई पे लाइक जस्ट फोकस, हेल्प ईच अदर मोर. यू जस्ट हैव 2 chemistry sessions in a week, right? Okay, so I am having a very important raw material for synthesis of a lot of chemicals, and that is common salt. यही जो आपका टेबल सॉल्ट होता है, that is present आई गेस सबके घर पे ही प्रेजेंट होता है, टेबल के ऊपर है ना, दैट्स व्हाई वी कॉमनली कॉल इट कॉमन सॉल्ट, टेबल सॉल्ट. सो इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रॉ मटेरियल फॉर सिंथेसाइजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ केमिकल्स इन द लैब, जैसे NaOH, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, बेकिंग सोडा, वॉशिंग सोडा, ब्लीचिंग पाउडर एंड वॉशिंग पाउडर. सो ऑल दैट if you want to synthesize you have to use common salt in that. ठीक है, चलो, so let's understand the method of preparation. First of all, sodium hydroxide. If you want to prepare sodium hydroxide in the lab, okay, so on a large scale level, so आपको उसके लिए चाहिए NaCl. So how we would be doing it, I will be just telling you. देखो, first of all, pay attention, this is very important. We require brine solution. ठीक है, brine solution कैसे, मतलब it's a sort of concentrated solution of sodium fluoride. एक तरह से आप बोल सकते हो काइंड ऑफ सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. ठीक है, सो अच्छे खासे अमाउंट में यू हैव टेकन सोडियम फ्लोराइड इन वाटर एंड देन वी हैव टू पास इलेक्ट्रिसिटी थ्रू इट. आई एम शोइंग यू सेटअप है. यहाँ पर देखो, आई हैव टेकन द 2 इलेक्ट्रॉड्स. ठीक है, आई हैव टेकन एन एनोड, टाइटेनियम एनोड they have taken here, and यहाँ पर I would be taking a steel cathode. ठीक है, anode is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and anode will be having a positive charge. ठीक है, then you are having cathode. Cathode is connected to negative of the terminal and it would be having a negative charge. Right, then you are having these यहाँ से products निकलेंगे. Now let's see, inside the electrolytic tank I would be taking concentrated sodium fluoride solution. ठीक है, that means I have taken NaOH plus water also I have taken. ठीक है, water and NaOH you have taken. Now what you have to do, pass the electricity. The setup is complete. जैसे ही you are gonna pass the electricity, then what will happen? This is sodium fluoride. Sorry, इसको ठीक कर लो, रुको. Let me, हाँ, ठीक है, यहाँ पर I am writing it outside only. Let me change it. Yeah. So inside the tank we would be taking sodium fluoride plus water. Right. So the moment you are passing electricity through the brine solution, sodium fluoride will break down. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पास करोगे, आयनिक कंपाउंड है, टूटेगा. ठीक है, सो इट विल ब्रेक टू गिव मी सोडियम आयॉन्स एंड क्लोराइड आयॉन्स. राइट, वाटर भी प्रेजेंट है साथ में, सो वाटर विल ब्रेक टू गिव मी H+ आयॉन्स एंड OH आयॉन्स. This is how the breakage of the electrolyte is going to happen inside your entire electrolytic tank. ठीक है, now what will happen, because you know some potential difference is created. यहाँ पर you are having the negative charge, this electrode is positively charged, so the negative electrode will be attracting positive ions towards it. Yes or no? Tell ma'am in the chat box. The negative cathode is gonna attract the positive charge. Opposite charges attract each other. Now यहाँ पर there is a glitch. There are 2 positively charged ions. We are having Na+ and H+. And out of these 2 ions, only one can go to the electrode at a time. सिर्फ एक ही ion जाएगा and only one ion will be discharged. Now how do we decide Na+ will go or H+ will go? So that depends on their reduction potential. जैसे if I tell you about cathode in detail, cathode is the negative terminal and cathode पे हमेशा ना reduction होगा. ठीक है, and what is this reduction? That is gain of electrons. So if any ion is going to the cathode, so उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? It has to gain the electrons. It will get discharged, and out of Na+ and H+ is having more tendency to gain the electrons here. ठीक है, उसका reduction potential ज़्यादा होगा. So यहाँ पर out of these 2 ions, H+ will go to the cathode. So H+ cathode पर जाएगा. It will be eating the electron, consume the electrons and liberate out the hydrogen gas. Balance कर दो reaction, 2H+ ions and 2 electrons. So यहाँ पर देखो, हाइड्रोजन गैस इज लिबरेटेड वेयर एट द कैथोड. फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट मिल गया है, हाइड्रोजन गैस एट कैथोड. ठीक है, उसके साथ साथ द सेम स्टोरी हैपेंस बिटवीन क्लोराइड एंड OH आयॉन्स आल्सो. दे आर अट्रैक्टेड टुवर्ड्स द पॉजिटिव एनोड. ठीक है, बट यहाँ पर भी सेम स्टोरी है, ओनली वन आयॉन विल बी गोइंग टू द एनोड. अब कौन जाएगा, नाउ वी हैव टू डिसाइड दैट. सो इफ यू टॉक अबाउट एनोड, दैट इज द पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल. सो यहाँ पर हमेशा ऑक्सीडेशन होता है, ठीक है. ऑक्सीडेशन इज गोना टेक प्लेस है, एंड ऑक्सीडेशन इज बेसिकली लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. कैसे याद रख सकते हो? आई हैव टोल्ड यू द ट्रिक इन वन क्लास ऑल्सो, ऑयल ट्रिक. ऑक्सीडेशन इज लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, रिडक्शन इज गेन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, ठीक है. Okay, so what is happening? Loss of electrons hoga if any ion is going to the anode. Okay, and if you compare chloride and hydroxide, out of Cl negative and OH negative, you are having chloride ion which has more tendency to give the electrons यहाँ पर, ठीक है. So chloride is gonna win anyway, and chloride ions they go to the anode. एनोड पर जाएंगे, देखो यहाँ पर लिख देते हैं रिएक्शन. क्लोराइड आयंस जैसे ही एनोड पर जाएंगे, एनोड इज लाइक गिव द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो क्लोराइड विल बी रिमूविंग आउट द इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड लिबरेट द क्लोरीन गैस. क्लोरीन गैस बनाता है, साथ में इलेक्ट्रॉन इज लिबरेटेड. बैलेंस कर लो, 2 क्लोराइड आयंस 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ये हमेशा होता है इन द इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस. नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विच आर लॉस्ट एट द एनोड इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विच आर गेन्ड एट द कैथोड. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बैलेंस द इक्वेशंस, ठीक है. इलेक्ट्रॉन रिएक्शंस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी बैलेंस्ड. सो दिस इज व्हाट विल हैपन इन क्लोरीन गैस इज लिबरेटेड एट द एनोड. Here comes your another product, that is chlorine gas. जो चाहिए वो अब तक नहीं मिला है. We actually need sodium hydroxide. So now what's going to happen? Now in the electrolytic tank, Na plus and OH negative ion are left behind. ये दोनों रह गए हैं and they are like, अरे भाई अब क्या करें, एक काम करते हैं, let's combine with each other. So Na plus and OH negative will be combining to give me sodium hydroxide finally. इस प्रोसेस को ही बोलते हैं क्लोर एल्कली प्रोसेस. क्लोर फॉर द लिबरेशन ऑफ क्लोरीन एंड एल्कली फॉर सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. दैट इज अ वाटर soluble base. Okay, and you should remember hydrogen we are getting at the cathode, chlorine at anode, and sodium hydroxide is found near cathode. ठीक है. This is how it's going to happen, and the chlor alkali process is very important. So if in case you haven't understood it, then थोड़ा सा वीडियो को पीछे कर लो, ठीक है. Go back and watch the video again. Time travel कर लो थोड़ा सा. Okay. चलो, so the reaction is written here. कहाँ पे product मिलेंगे, that is also written. So I have a homework question for you. What is that homework question? You would be writing the uses of all these 3 products of the chlor alkali process in the comment section. Yes, ठीक है. I will give you choices in the homework question today. जो मन करे वो वाला question कर लेना, ठीक है. So I have written some of the uses here. Sodium hydroxide you use in soaps and detergents, ठीक है. इसलिए वो soapy nature होता है इसका. That is why it is also used for making the pulp of the paper basically. And chlorine gas is used for making the pesticides, disinfectant की तरह use होता है to kill the germs in the water. In polyvinyl chloride, polymers में use होता है for the plastic coating, we use it there in the polymerization. Okay. Hydrogen के भी uses देख लेना, so you have to write them up. The next one which we have to understand is the bleaching powder. कैसे बनेगा ब्लीचिंग पाउडर? दैट इज वेरी इजी. यू हैव टू टेक योर ड्राई स्लेक्ट लाइम, ठीक है. दिस इज माई ड्राई स्लेक्ट लाइम दैट आई वुड बी टेकिंग calcium hydroxide, and through this dry slaked lime you have to pass the chlorine gas. जैसे ही आप क्लोरीन गैस पास करोगे, यू वुड बी गेटिंग द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम ऑक्सीक्लोराइड और कैल्शियम हाइपोक्लोराइड अलॉन्ग विद द लिबरेशन ऑफ वाटर. ये कैसे होता है रिएक्शन? देखो, कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड को ऐसे लिख लो, CaOH, देन यू हैव टू पास क्लोरीन गैस, ठीक है. जैसे यू गोना पास द क्लोरीन गैस, वाटर जो है दैट इज गोना लीव आउट. बाय, खत्म, टाटा, गया, गुड बाय. So water leaves out, and then this 1 calcium, 1 oxygen and 2 chlorine, they will be combining to give me calcium oxychloride. एग्जाम में मत करना ऐसे, ठीक है. दिस इज जस्ट अ ट्रिक टू रिमाइंड यू कैल्शियम ऑक्सीक्लोराइड कैसे बना. ओके, Uses of bleaching powder it is used for bleaching the cotton and lining in the textile industry. टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में हम यूज करते हैं इसको, एंड फॉर लाइनिंग बेड शीट्स के लिए भी यूज करते हैं. सो हाउ इट बेसिकली वर्क्स, वहां पर ब्लीचिंग पाउडर इज हैविंग दिस आयन हाइपोक्लोराइट आयन. ठीक है, ये हाइपोक्लोराइट आयन क्या करता है, इट रिलीजेस नेसेंट ऑक्सीजन. What is the meaning of nascent oxygen? Nascent oxygen होता है atomic oxygen, मतलब that's a free oxygen, and that oxygen will be decolorizing all the colored components. ठीक है, आप बोल सकते हो it oxidizes the colored components of the cloth. ठीक है, so colored component जो है cloth का, that is now oxidized, so it will become white in color. ठीक है, that is how it works. Now apart from that, it is used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries, right? How it is used as an oxidizing agent. So if you talk about calcium oxychloride and you make it react with the acids, कुछ dilute acids के साथ अगर आप react कराओगे, then there will be the liberation of chlorine gas. Okay, and this chlorine is a very good electron acceptor, so it would be gaining the electrons from the other substance, and by gaining the electrons from other species it would be oxidizing that species. अगर आप किसी से इलेक्ट्रॉन ले रही हो, that means you are oxidizing the other species, right? And hence acting as an oxidizing agent. So try to remember it, used as an oxidizing agent. Okay, it is used for disinfecting the drinking water. Yeah, so to kill the germs in the water, उसके लिए भी आप use करते हो bleaching powder. So how exactly that works? You have to add your calcium oxychloride into water. Water में add करने पर chlorine gas is liberated out, and this chlorine gas is basically gonna kill the cells of the microorganisms, the bacteria that are present in water, and thus helping to purify the water. Okay, not difficult, बहुत आसान है, आपको बस practice करना है. ठीक है, very good. The next one is the baking soda. This is something that you people are already aware of, isn't it? Lockdown में सबने केक बनाया होगा. Okay, मैंने नहीं बनाया, सिर्फ I guess everyone else out there has tried that. So chemical name of the compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. ठीक है, okay, बहुत बढ़िया. How do we prepare it? So you basically have to do the Solvay process. एक नाम होता है इस process का, that is Solvay process. We have to take the ammonical brine solution. देखो, sodium chloride and water, this is brine solution, and ammonical brine में क्या होता है, we also pass ammonia gas through the brine solution. Apart from ammonia, you also have to pass carbon dioxide. So you require a lot of stuff. Okay, so you are having sodium chloride and water, brine solution से you are passing ammonia gas, and then you are passing carbon dioxide gas. Okay, then you would be getting the formation of two salts. Ammonium chloride is actually completely water soluble. ठीक है, it is soluble in water, but if you talk about sodium hydrogen carbonate, then it is partially soluble in water. So ये पानी में आपको मिलेगा in the form of precipitate, so you can easily separate it out. Okay, एक ने precipitate बना दिया, by filtration also you can separate it. So based on their solubility, we can separate the two components, and finally you would be getting your baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay, uses are very important, so make sure you remember it. The first use is your favorite one. It is used in making baking powder, which is used in making the cakes. ठीक है, आप बेकिंग सोडा को डायरेक्टली भी यूज कर सकते हो फॉर बेकिंग द केक्स. जैसे इफ आई राइट अ रिएक्शन, sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is your baking soda. Okay, so if you are adding it into your food item, then you are heating it. आप बेक करोगे तो हीट करोगे सॉल्ट को. सो ऑन हीटिंग दिस इज गोना फॉर्म सोडियम कार्बोनेट, carbon dioxide and water. So this carbon dioxide is responsible for bringing that fluffiness in the food item, but at the same time baking soda can bring some bitterness in the food. ठीक है, so we try to avoid the use of baking soda. Instead of this, we make a baking powder from it. ठीक है, बेकिंग सोडा से आप क्या करो, बेकिंग पाउडर को बना लो. कैसे? I will be taking my baking soda and then I have to add acid into it. These H plus ions are coming from the acid, and generally we take a edible, mild edible acid like tartaric acid. Spelling ठीक है ना? Tartaric, yeah. ठीक है, so this tartaric acid, इसका फायदा क्या होगा? This is gonna neutralize this sodium carbonate that will be formed, because sodium carbonate is soda ash. It can make your food bitter in taste. Okay, so just to avoid that, we want it to get neutralized. So उसके लिए we add an acid into it. जैसे tartaric acid we are adding, and then this sodium carbonate won't be formed, rather the salt of the sodium would be formed. ठीक है, एक salt मिल जाएगा आपको, that will be a fruity salt. So now it will be giving me a sweet taste in my food item, even if you add it in excess, and carbon dioxide will still be coming out to make your food fluffy. ठीक है, so that is one use. देखो, the reaction is already written है, sodium salt of acid, the fruity salt I was talking about. Okay, हाँ, this I have told you, carbon dioxide is responsible for that fluffiness. किसका बर्थडे आज? किसी का बर्थडे है तो हैप्पी बर्थडे. देखो, such nice cake. Okay, it is also used as an ingredient in the antacids. ठीक है, so आपको पता है सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट, it is a mild non corrosive base. So आप इसको ले सकते हो if in case someday you are having excess of acidity, it will be neutralizing that hydrochloric acid in the stomach and you would be feeling better. Okay, चलो, now ma'am is going to tell you something about the subscription. So if you people are really willing to join us in the journey, why? Because most of the sessions are not live on YouTube, because we although try to take the live sessions, but we have our slots on the regular sessions, right? The second thing is that we covered the syllabus with much more depth analysis and precision over there, as compared to on the YouTube. We don't have much tools over here, है ना? So it becomes difficult to take quiz in every session, so you do not get any personalization, you don't get any report cards as such, no test series is there. All you people rely on is the mentee session, isn't it? So you can come and join the subscription only for 1 month, and 1 month के लिए prices are lowest at this time. ठीक है, so July के बाद the prices can increase, and the new batches are also starting from the 5th July. My new batch is also there, तो मैं हिंदी में भी batches ले रही हूँ. I am taking in Hindi plus English also. So English, Hindi, everything you would be getting. New batches from the 5th July. ठीक है, so if you wanna take the enrollment 1 year के लिए भी you have a guarantee. Otherwise I advise you आप 1 month के लिए ही जाओ. ठीक है, 1 month का around 2000 it will cost you, and for all the subjects you would be getting unlimited micro courses, and my micro courses are also starting from 5th June, sorry. ठीक है, July, sorry. Okay, yeah, so I was telling you my micro courses are going to be pro exclusive this time. ठीक है, so आप तभी access कर सकते हो micro courses को when you are a part of the full subscription, when you are a Vedantu Pro Lite का member, या जो भी आप plan लेते हो Pro Classic, only then you would be access to those micro courses, you would be having it. Okay, and apart from that, Abhishek sir is also taking the micro courses in the same slot, and you have the other teachers. Ananya sir is also taking the micro courses. ठीक है, unlimited live classes, all the classes will be live. You would be able to compete with the other students, you can know your rank, performance, interactive replays होते हैं. So जैसे यहाँ पर तो mentee miss हो गया, you cannot play it again, but वहाँ पर you can do it. ठीक है, you also get the handwritten notes from the master teachers, and you also get the hard copy of the notes, so you don't have to purchase any other book. ठीक है, doubts and assignments are given after every class, then regularly revision sessions होते हैं, crash courses are free of cost, and free unlimited micro courses, pro exclusive micro courses. ठीक है, which you will only be able to access if you are a member of the pro plan for 1 month. So 1 month का trial ले सकते हो आप पहले. Free crash courses, so less prices and the more number of classes. That's right. Okay, so this is the coupon code that you can use, SKA Pro, and you will get 10% extra discount. आपको करना क्या है इसके लिए, I will tell you. देखो, सो यू हैव टू ओपन दिस वीडियो, ठीक है, वीडियो कोई भी वीडियो शिल्पी मैम का आप ओपन कर सकते हो। आई ओपन दिस वीडियो एंड गो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स, या यहाँ पर यू कैन गेट अ लिंक। देखो, गेट एडिशनल 10% डिस्काउंट, वहां पर टैप करके यू आर हैविंग दीज 3 प्लान्स टू चूज फ्रॉम। देखो, इट्स शोइंग यू सेव 10% ऑन अप्लाइंग शिल्पी कौशिक आर्मी वाला कोड एंड 1 मंथ के लिए ट्राई कर सकते हो यहाँ पर जाके, ठीक है। सो द प्राइस इज लाइक रियली रिड्यूस्ड दिस टाइम, लास्ट मंथ से काफ़ी चीप है प्राइस, सो यू कैन गो विद दैट एंड द ऑप्शंस आर आल्सो अवेलेबल। इफ़ यू वांट टू टेक द ईयर लॉन्ग वाला सब्सक्रिप्शन तो भी EMIs के ऑप्शन होते हैं, ठीक है। क्लासिक में द एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट इज द डाउट सॉल्विंग मोबाइल ऐप एंड प्लस में यू ऑल्सो गेट अ पर्सनल मेंटोर, सो इट्स लाइक you are getting everything, ठीक है। So you can talk to your parents and think about it for 1 month. This is the cheapest course. So 1 month के लिए तो try करना ही चाहिए. You will get the feel and everything. You will get to know about it and maximum syllabus you can cover. And at this point ये best time है क्योंकि सारे teachers micro course लेने वाले हैं. The pro exclusive micro courses. ठीक है, इंक्लूडिंग ऑल योर फेवरेट टीचर्स, सो या दैट वुड बी अनलिमिटेड एंड ऊपर से गारंटी भी है। सो अगर इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं हुआ फीस विल बी रिटर्न बैक टू यू। सो दिस इज द न्यू बैच फ्रॉम 5th जुलाई क्लास 10th and 9th स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स स्टार्टिंग एंड एनरोलमेंट जल्दी ही बंद हो जाएंगे, सो यू कैन गो एंड जस्ट ट्राई दैट, ठीक है। नाउ आई हैव ऑल्सो एडेड फ्रिक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चंस इन द बोर्ड एग्जाम्स as promised and it was written on the thumbnail. So these questions are most frequently repeated in the past year also. I will show you a few of them, बाकी आप practice कर लेना। देखो, a chemical compound having the smell of chlorine is used to remove yellowness of white clothes in the laundry. याद आ गया होगा, यूज टू रिमूव येलोनेस फ्रॉम द क्लोथ्स। ब्लीचिंग एजेंट हो सकता है, मे बी दैट्स योर ब्लीचिंग पाउडर। नेम द कंपाउंड एंड राइट द रिएक्शन इन्वॉल्व्ड इन द प्रिपरेशन। कर सकते हो। वी हैव टू टेक द slaked lime, dry slaked lime and pass chlorine gas through it. You would be getting it. Easy है? Okay. So सॉल्व से काफ़ी क्वेश्चंस आए हैं, दैट इज वाई आई हैव एडेड दिस पोर्शन। जैसे एक्सप्लेन गिविंग रीजंस, टार्टरिक एसिड इज अ कंपोनेंट ऑफ बेकिंग पाउडर यूज्ड इन मेकिंग द केक्स। सो यू नो दैट इफ वी डोंट ऐड टार्टरिक एसिड देन देयर माइट बी सम bitterness in your food, that is because of sodium carbonate, but we want this bitterness to go away, so for that we add tartaric acid into it. Answers are attached here so that you can do the practice. Common salts besides being used in kitchen can also be used as a raw material for which of the following? You know that washing soda, bleaching powder, baking soda, सब में हम use कर सकते हैं, okay? The next one, देखो, this is very important. Such questions are frequently asked in the exam. ये काफ़ी बार पूछा गया है। देखो, salt A commonly used in bakery products. याद आ गया होगा बेकरी से। On heating gets converted into another salt B. So from bakery, yeah, like baking soda we are talking about. Yes, I remember baking a cake once. On heating gets converted to another salt B. I know that is sodium carbonate, which itself is used for removal of hardness of water. Sodium carbonate is used, washing soda is basically used to remove the hardness of water. Okay. ठीक है, सो वी आर इन द राइट डायरेक्शन एंड गैस सी इज ऑल्सो इवॉल्व्ड। आई नो इसके साथ वाटर भी बनता है। द गैस सी व्हेन पास थ्रू लाइम वाटर टर्न्स इट मिल्की। आइडेंटिफाई ए बी एंड सी। दैट इज कंफर्म, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ही है सी एंड दिस इज बी एंड दिस विल बी योर ए, ठीक है। ऐसे क्वेश्चंस कर सकते हो ओनली इफ यू हैव सीन ऑल द रिएक्शंस, ओके। सो मैम इज नाउ गिविंग यू होमवर्क क्वेश्चन। Homework question. A milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. Now, based on this answer, why does he shift the pH of fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? Okay. Why this milk takes a long time to set as curd? Homework question. Give the answer in the comment section right after the video. ठीक है, let's see how many of you are honest with yourself and your studies and how many of you are actually here to study instead of focusing on any other external parameter. Yeah, let's see that. Okay, so in the next session we would be doing the water of crystallization, and any salt that is left behind we would be discussing that. Okay, so VIPs here, this is the coupon code I have told you, SKA Pro, and the new batches are also starting. So thank you so much for attending the class. Do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, because we are gonna come up with the Menti Wars very soon, so you have to wait for that. Okay, bye bye.